Good morning, guys. Yep, there he is, fucking whoops, I said the F word. There's the unicorn. In today, we're gonna add some rock light extensions. Gonna move the heater hoses, which obviously right there, and probably do some wiring for the amplifier and the head unit. So that's where we're at now. Oh, yep, we've got it on the T for the trans stem cooler as well. But before we get started, give us a like and subscribe if you like the content, because you know there's gonna be heaps more, guys. But yeah, let's get into it. You peeing, bro?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Ah.
Yeah, nice.
Oh,
Really.
thought I was done, didn't you?
I did.
There we go, little dribbles.
Good
There we go. No more ugly hoses.
Yep, these things are ugly. So this is one of the rock lights, and the cable obviously runs straight in the back. So what we're going to do right now is drill a hole up in here, run the cable through, and what's going to happen is basically rock light will be mounted like there, and it's going to illuminate the whole engine bay. Alright, so there's the first rock light installed under the hood, run it all the way to the trunk, and obviously there's the wiring going down there. But yeah, you can see how it's lighting up the hood right there. Then we've got the second one up there. I haven't run the wires yet, but that's it. Nice, mate. Alright, so there you go. 1, 2. Beautiful. So this is basically where we mounted the rock lights on both sides on the front fenders. And then basically the wire is just going to be running up straight through here, straight through the firewall. So here we have the one of the rock lights running from under the hood, and then basically able to get this 10-foot extension cable. So it literally just plugs in, and then you can just run it straight to the module. So just to show you guys, this is basically the controller for the rock lights. So you download an app for your phone, and you have full control over all the LEDs and the colors and the way they flash and pulse and all that crap. So it's basically that's an 8 kit, and you can get 4, 12, 16, all different size kits. So that's what that is basically. Alright guys, so we didn't get much done today, but most of the rock lights are done. Dan just plumbed the catch can, and so that's in. Just got one more line to put in for that, and that's done. So that's it. Yeah, bit of a disappointment to say the least, but we were lacking some parts to finish the other things that I'd mentioned at the start. So, but anyway, just a little vlog. And you know the drill. If you liked it, press the like button. Subscribe if you like the content. It's really bloody easy. You just go like this, but with the mouse or your finger. Well, it depends. Are you bloody looking at this on the computer or on your bloody phone? Your head's probably in your phone, eh? Anyway, whatever. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one. Peace out, guys.